At Dorner Manufacturing, we develop products and solutions that help move your products more efficiently. We get your product to the exact location, in the exact position, at the exact time it needs to be there for the next phase in the process. That's why we use V-guided belt tracking for more accurate belt control. V-guided tracking works by bonding a continuous V-shaped plastic material to the bottom of the belt. This corresponds to V-shaped grooves in both the end roller and bed plate, providing belt tracking the entire length of the conveyor. V-guiding provides significantly more control over tracking than the standard crowned pulley method, which keeps a belt centered using a crowned pulley in the center of the belt that tapers off on each edge. Because the belt flexes unevenly and forms a slight arch, the entire length of the conveyor becomes vulnerable to misalignment. More robust tracking means less downtime for maintenance. Increased precision means more consistency when transferring small or odd-shaped products. And tighter belt control means more compact, space-saving frames. Our in-house belting department makes us the fastest, most versatile manufacturer in the industry. Because most of our splicing, cleat welding, and V-guiding techniques are applied in-house, early in production, we offer the widest variety of belting solutions in the world. And they're all built to last and shipped in as little as 24 hours. That's just part of the Dorner difference. Contact us today to learn more.